Now let us study how do the number of zeros vary in a quadratic polynomial, right? When you plot the graph of a quadratic polynomial, we are getting a parabola, right? Either like this or like this based on the value of a, whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0, right? Say for example, when it is greater than 0, if you take this type of graph, okay, this parabola we got. Now what we can say is, just you take this parabola, means after plotting the graph, if you are getting like this, now we can observe this parabola, okay, it is intersecting x-axis at two distinct points, right? That is A and B. So what we can say, the number of zeros for this parabola, for this quadratic polynomial is 2, right? Next you see, if I lift this parabola little up, these 2 points A and B, they come closer to each other and they coincide at point C. Now look at this, they are coming closer. Now both the points are coincided at a point C. Now means single point is there. Now can you say the number of zeros is only 1? This is a quadratic polynomial. How can you say it is single? There will be two zeros for a quadratic polynomial, right? Then what will be their values? Of course, same type of values we are getting for both x, right? Because both the points are coincident at a single point here. Because it is intersecting, parabola is intersecting that x-axis at one point. This is how we can say there are two zeros, they are of same values, equal values. Next, if you lift this parabola little up, now this is not intersecting x-axis at any point at all. So you can say it has no zeros. Means this quadratic polynomial has no zeros now because it is not intersecting that x-axis at any point, right? So this is how we decide just the what number of zeros for a quadratic polynomial.